Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, in this video, I'll show you how you can use the swiping method on Snapchat to take a peek at conversations and view messages without the other part of the conversation being notified that you actually even opened the conversation. So let's jump right into it. First, open your Play Store or App Store. Search for Snapchat and ensure your app is updated to the latest version for everything to work smoothly. Now, open Snapchat, log into your account, and navigate to your conversations. From here, you can use the half swipe method to take a peek at your conversations. Begin by placing your finger on the Bitmoji of the conversation. Then swipe right until your finger reaches the right bezel of your device. Without lifting your finger, you can check the messages. Swipe back to the left side of your screen when you're done. You can repeat this process to view conversations without notifying the other party. However, be cautious as the Bitmoji will briefly peak when you open the conversation. Avoid using this method when the other party is actively engaged in the conversation to maintain privacy. If the other party is present and you use the swiping method, your Bitmoji will pop up, indicating that you opened the conversation. However, once you swipe back to the left side and release your finger, it won't appear as if the conversation was opened or received. That's essentially how you can use the half swiping method on Snapchat. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.